welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. So today we're going to do another plan with me. I told you guys last week that I really wanted to have a darker theme because it's Martin Luther King weekend and it's also my husband's birthday. So I wanted to go with this dark theme for the entire week, and I really wanted to see how it would all turn out. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, starting out, I am going to use some black and gold washi tape that I picked up. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get my supplies and stuff out, all the things that I need to make this happen. I'm looking through my washi tape to see what I have because I wanna try to make the entire thing black and gold. So let's hope we can do it. I saw these little paper holders and I thought they were so cute. So I'm gonna get all of my supplies out. Of course, I need my scissors, and I just keep trying to use those black and gold arrows. I don't know what it is. So these are all the books that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna pull from today. And you know, I said when I was setting up my planner that I was a little leery about picking this planner because the pages are already decorated. So I'm gonna try to cover up as much of this pink, green, and flowers as I can because I don't think that it'll look good, you know, if I do the whole black and gold theme and still leave the flowers and stuff on it. So I'm gonna try to cover up as much of this page as possible. Oh, we'll just see how it all turns out. Can have black and gold without having some sort of a black and gold glitter. So you guys will see I am obsessed with glitter tape, so and I always use it, but since I have these little small ones, I figured I would start with these and just see where we go. I don't really know how this is all going to turn out, but I'm excited to see how far I can go with the black and gold theme with this spread and this layout being the way that it is. I wanted to challenge myself to make the planner my own because the pages are already kind of decorated and laid out for us. But this week I was just inspired by Black Panther, Martin Luther King, my husband. So I really wanted to have a darker theme instead of the more girly theme that I always have. So just stepping outside of the box and just kind of being creative. I figured, why not this week? The Color Story sticker book really helps kind of set the mood. I was able to pull all of the black and gold boxes from the Color Story box, and that really helped me set up a foundation. Now here's where I go a little overboard. In my mind, I really wanted to just cover up all the white space, and however I was gonna accomplish that, I was determined to do it. So I went a little crazy on this part, but I loved how it turned out in the end. It was a bit, you know, black, but overall, I really liked the way it turned out. So I didn't go too crazy, but on this part, I guess I just had a lot of energy. I was like, why not? This thing all the way up, trying to add as much glitter as I can, and I'm gonna go in and kind of alter my little geek girl here. I'm gonna put a hat on her head. My daughter actually told me to do that. And then on Mondays is my massive cleaning days, so I wanted to put down a vacuum cleaner because Mondays are like my deep cleaning days. Also, I'm going to be filming Tuesday and Wednesday, and the rest is, you know, I always decorate so much that sometimes I don't leave enough space for me to write. So I wanted to have my little bullet points areas for me to actually write things that I need to keep track of for the week. Yeah, I didn't want to crowd the entire space. knickknacks, some little lashes and things like that, I figured I'd better stop where I am. It's getting a bit overcrowded, but I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think about this whole black and gold theme. I typically design on a theme for my planner, and I was holding back, so I figured I might as well just show you guys what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.